Well, hey, it's Brad here. Welcome to the Tesla. Welcome to Las Vegas. And yes, I'm very happy that Tesla drives itself, allows me to chat with you for a little bit. Listen, when it comes to boosting profits in a business, there's many different ways to do that. And you got to always be reminded of the fact that you don't double a business with one idea that gives you 100%. You double a business with 100 ideas that give you 1% each. The major goal of any business owner is, of course, being the rainmaker, making the money in the business. If you're spending so much time working in doing the task of the business or making sure the product or the service is done, who's taking care of the money-making side of the business? It's really up to you to take care of the money-making. And, you know, that's an important aspect of reminding business owners what they should and shouldn't be doing with their time. So let's get down to it. You as the owner need to do owner's work. You as the owner need to be making more profitability for the business. So how do we make sure that happens? Well, what we do is that we focus in on the profitability. We look at what makes profit centers in our business. So what are the three most profitable services or three most profitable products that you have in your business? Take a look for them and understand that if you can find ways to move more of those, and this is where a lot of people, they know what's high priced, but they don't know what's making them the most profit. Look for what's making you the most profit and get focused in on that. Get focused on selling more of that. What's making you the best hourly rate if that's your thing? What's giving you the best margin if that's your thing in a product? Second thing I want to look at is your pricing structure, okay? Too many business owners are scared to raise prices. Now, absolutely, there's certain items in your business you've got to keep competitive on price, but there's a lot of items in your business where it's not really price sensitive. If you're selling it and you're convenient and you're doing a better job on so many other aspects, then it doesn't really matter what it is from a pricing perspective, okay? So you got to take a look at raising your prices on a bunch of different things, and that's really a high priority for many business owners where they've been stuck at the same price levels for years and they haven't raised their prices. Now, when you do it, don't make such a massive deal out of it. Don't go sitting around and saying, okay, I got to make sure that I've got my prices up and told everyone in the world about it. No, you can raise your prices by 10% across the board other than those half a dozen or dozen items that need to stay super price competitive, and no one's really going to notice. I guarantee you that no one's really going to notice in the majority of cases, and that extra 10% adds massively to the bottom line of your business. Finally, when we're looking at the third thing that's going to make us more profit in our business, and that is focusing on more A-grade customers, on the customers who are the biggest spenders. You know, do your analysis. Make sure you've done your analysis of who are my 20% of my customers who are bringing me 80% of my business. Now, it won't always be exact to the 80-20 rule, but it'll be dang close. So get to know who it is in your customer base that are your most valuable customers. Who are the ones that are making the most money for you, spending the most money with you, and how do you turn that into more business for you? Ultimately, you're looking for the people that spend the most, the people that refer the most, that give you the most referrals. If you don't know the people referring to your business by name, then you could be in trouble because you really want to take amazing care of those people. Listen, enjoy your day. Enjoy making more profit in your business. Have a great day. Look forward to chatting to you again soon. Bye for now.